How did mac and cheese get so complicated? I'm rebelling. This recipe is streamlined to the max. Cook 8 ounces of noodles. Pour 2 cups of milk into a jar and add a quarter cup of flour. Add any seasonings you'd like. Put the lid on and shake, baby, shake. If you like your baked mac more creamy and less sliceable, add an extra half cup of milk to that jar. Drain the pasta and put it back into the pot. Give the jar another shake and then pour that flour slurry right in there. Cook over medium while stirring till the sauce thickens and only just comes to a simmer. Immediately take it off the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of butter cut into pieces and 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese or any other melting cheese. Stir to melt it all together. It's so saucy and cheesy. Add salt and pepper to taste if you'd like. You can stop there and just eat it or transfer the mac to a shallow 2-quart baking dish and sprinkle with another cup of cheese. Top with a quarter cup of panko breadcrumbs and spritz them lightly with oil. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit until the cheese on top is melted and the crumbs are lightly browned, about 7 to 10 minutes. Whether you're a slicer or a scooper, dig in and marvel at how simple that was. Told you. Get more taste-easy recipes at cookthestory.com.